Howdy, howdy, howdy. So a viewer sent me this knife and I figured, hey, all right, let's give it a shot. This is a Canary Cardboard knife from Japan. Don't know what any of this says. I'm gonna guess it's some sort of stainless, and again, it's supposed to be some sort of cardboard knife, and I believe it said it's supposed to never go dull. I don't know about that, but hey, you know what? I got some cardboard here. I'm not gonna go through it all and see if it never dulls, but let's see how it cuts, and then let's use it for some stuff it's not supposed to be used for. Right, so I guess this is not really a sheath, but I guess this could be your little storage protector here, just to kind of keep the edge safe. It's got serrations, if you can see those, on both sides. No tip, well, no pointed tip, but I don't know, that could probably cut you if you move your finger across that. I wonder how far the tang is. And let's see how far oh, that tang goes. Not very far. So we got there, and then yeah, just to there, because I move it down. See, I moved it down. So that's it. That tang does not extend very far at all. Okay, let's see if we can do a paper test. Yeah, I mean, it's serrations, so I guess it's gonna rip instead of cut. So yeah, I guess I can't really do much of a paper test, but hey, I figure I'd give it a shot anyway. All right, let's get to the cardboard. Okay, just couldn't tell you what type of cardboard this is. I don't know if any this info means anything to you. But that did cut pretty good. I guess I'll put the specs on the screen about if I can find anything about it with thickness and all that stuff. That cuts pretty good. See if I can double up. Yeah, not too bad. All right, so for cutting cardboard, did what it's supposed to do. Now let's do some stuff you're not supposed to do with it. All right, just trying to get this ferro rod going. Well, wow, surprisingly, it is striking. Yeah, it's striking the ferro rod here. That really surprised me. Don't know how many strikes you can get out of it, but it's doing it. So what do I think of the Canary? First off, again, thank you, Joe, for sending this out to me. Really appreciate that. Now, as a cardboard knife, I'm going to give it a I'm going to give it a 7.5 out of 10. I think the handle's kind of small, so it wants to turn a little bit, and I think it could be a little thicker, because it does have a little bit more flex than I think I'd like in that. But as a cardboard knife, yeah, not too bad. Would I want to use it all day? Probably not. But yeah, 7.5 out of 10 as a cardboard knife. Now, as a substitution, as like some sort of outdoor knife, it's going to get a 2.25 out of 10. Good points about it as an outdoor knife. Surprisingly, it somehow struck a ferro rod. Yeah, in this area right here. Not a choil or a cost. I don't know what you want to call it, but behind this, between the guard and the serration. Yeah, that was a good point. Also, it could make good shavings, but it couldn't do really do feather sticks. The batoning was okay. Surprisingly, it's still straight, and I figured it was gonna bust out the handle there with that short tang, but again, it was just a small piece we're batoning. So, and if it was a harder wood and a bigger piece, I don't know if it would have handled it. But you know, for it not being a woods knife, it did okay. But very flexible. I mean, as a yeah, as a woods knife, I wouldn't really want that. Held its edge pretty good too. Yeah, held its edge. I don't think there was any. Yeah, I don't think it lost any of the edge from just a little bit of cardboard and doing the woodwork. So that was good. I'm not gonna, test cardboard till it's done, but yeah, as a woods knife with the handle, flexibility, being serrated, 2.5. I mean, better than nothing, yeah, but lots of stuff I choose over it. And 7.5 as a cardboard knife. So again, thank you, Joe, and remember, everybody, get outside, enjoy life, try things. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Check out these other videos floating around on the screen here, and stick around for additional stuff coming up. You never know what I might do. Will be another taste test, will be a review. Will I be out hiking again? Who knows? Stick around, find out. Enjoy.